Discovering past abilities. The magic of could and was, were able to. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are diving into a fascinating part of English grammar, modal verbs for ability in different tenses. Specifically, we're going to take a closer look at could and was, were able to, and how these verbs express past abilities. Let's get started. Could is a modal verb we often use to express past ability. We use could when we talk about something we were capable of doing in the past, but it doesn't necessarily mean we actually did it. Let's look at some examples. When I was a child, I could climb trees. She could play piano beautifully when she was younger. In both examples, could expresses abilities people had in the past. Whether they actually climbed trees or played the piano is not stated. While could expresses general past ability, we use was, were able to talk about a specific event or achievement that was completed in the past. It indicates that not only the ability existed, but the action was also carried out successfully. Here are a few examples. Despite the weather, we were able to finish the race. He was able to pass the exam after many hours of studying. In these cases, was, were able to, shows that the action was successfully completed in the past. So when do we use could, and when was, were able to? While both describe past abilities, could is used for general abilities, and was, were able to, is used for specific accomplishments. Think of it this way. Use could when speaking about something you knew how to do in the past. Use was, were able to, when speaking about a specific instance where you successfully did something in the past. While this is generally the rule, there are exceptions where could and was, were able to, can be used interchangeably. For instance, in negative forms, both could and was, were not able to, can express a past inability. Example, I couldn't understand the movie, or I wasn't able to understand the movie. Both sentences mean the same. In the past, the speaker was not capable of understanding the movie. And that's it for today's lesson, folks. We've just explored the differences between could and was, were able to, in expressing past abilities. I hope you now feel more comfortable using these verbs in your English conversations. Remember, practice is key, so make sure to use them in your daily language journey. See you in the next video.